everyone, welcome to Traveling with the Elliots. In today's vlog, we are having a staycation at Disney's Boardwalk Inn.
Woo! Birthday weekend! My birthday! Boardwalk! Whoa! The characters are in there. That's the character bus.
Or
No, well, I mean, that's the character bus, like that they travel.
I was wondering if it was pretty cool.
You can see Paris from here. You can see Paris from here. You excited?
Oh yeah, you excited?
I'm so excited. Birthday weekend at the Boardwalk. I'm literally gonna cry though. Because we've talked about like staying here forever. Like ever since we were dating.
Go.
But like ever since we were dating, we've talked about staying here. Almost 14 years. Talking.
Do you want to check in or do you want to just go to the reception and see what it looks like?
Yeah, I want to get a birthday pin. My mom got me this one, but I need the Disney one for sure.
Walking in, we were just amazed by the details and the beauty of this lobby. We were actually welcomed in by Daisy. Now to find our room. Our room was on the first floor, and the lobby is actually on the second floor, so we had to go downstairs for our room. I totally need to take a order of my got my actual birthday pin. My favorite detail in the hallway was actually the lighting. Look at the silhouettes. They are so cute. Tyler was having a little issue with pushing the suitcase on the carpet. They actually remodeled this section of the boardwalk recently, so the carpet was new and plush.
We might have missed our room. Oh, it's right here. Perfect.
We have a backyard.
I'm sure we do.
Is it? That's it.
The name.
Oh my gosh. Happy birthday, Brenda and Brenda.
What?
Both.
That's so funny. Just a regular. Yes. Oh! Oh my god! That's so cool. I love a chair. Oh, this is a decent. Oh, we should. Let me see. This is a decent. Yes. Look at this. This is why I laughed and screamed.
Oh, it's actually the lampshade.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I just like turned it on and off.
We decided to use the ferry boat transportation to Hollywood Studios, where we had a reservation for Oga's Cantina.
Almost the same spot. Thank you.
You're located underneath the bar. Your bartender will be right with you. Have a nice time.
Thank you. Oh, it feels so nice in here.
Should I do a beer or a cocktail?
Cocktail.
I ordered the Best Spin Fizz, and Tyler ordered the Outer Rim.
Drink the bubbly fizzy. It goes up my nose. The carbonation just goes right up my nose.
We also ordered the charcuterie board, which is really good. Then it was pool time. We got the whole pool to ourselves. Nobody around. For dinner, we went to Trattoria al Forno on Disney's Boardwalk. Tyler got the 3-meat pizza, and I ordered the black truffle pasta. I was in love with this pasta. It was so good. Then we spent some time on the boardwalk watching some street performers. And we stopped at dance hall for a little bit. Then it was time to spend the day at Epcot to celebrate my birthday with friends. Epcot is right next to the boardwalk, and it took no time to get there. Now time to travel the world. We went to Cellier for dinner, and we had never been here before, and we had an amazing time. We both got steak, and I forgot to take a picture of it, but they were delicious. This was the last day of our staycation, and we spent the day by the main pool. We were the first ones to go down the slide for the day.
Starting to hurt my back at the end there. I picked up some speed.
Yeah, like that last turn, I was like,
Yeah, right when I started turning to the left, it just splashed all over my face. I didn't know where I was.
yeah, at first I was sitting, I was like, nah, I'll lay down.
Starting to speed up a lot.
That was fun though.
Other people are going on it now.
Yeah, we were the first ones. We had such a great day relaxing at the pool. It was so nice and quiet for a couple hours, and then as the day went on, it did get a little bit busier. We hope you enjoyed our vlog of the Disney Boardwalk Inn. Please like this video and subscribe for more.